straight from the left turn lane. I hate this song, man. Nice cut off. Hello. Not supposed to do that, is it? Ugh. Assholes! Yeah. Force your way out, dude. Force your way in. Whatever. Yep. 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 No, that's the HOV lane. You're alone in that car. Oh my god. Lose something, dude? Yeah. Sick of listening to it. Sick of fucking COVID election, COVID election, election, COVID, COVID, COVID election. Get off my ass! Scumbag. Oh. Tell me you're exit diving. Tell me you're exit diving. Tell me you're exit diving. You're exit diving. Red light runner. Nice job, Reinhart. Don't be as fine as just ignore me, lady. No problem. Stop, Lexus. I feel you reaching for me. That's an exit dive, you twit. Because Prius. Ah, yeah, ooh, you moron. Hey, there's someone there. I don't think the Toyota stopped. Maybe he did. Who knows? Find out in a moment. Or a few weeks. Exit regret. So you pull up to the stop line so the sensors know that you're there. That's an illegal left turn, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, go ahead, force your way out, because you're a jerk. You're welcome. Thank you. Run the right on red, thank you. Do not cut me off. Do not cut me off. I know you're just gonna farm right the fuck. Thank you. Put, put, put. Yeah. I didn't know that was gonna happen. No one behind me. And he makes a U-turn. Yeah. No. the stop sign. Go ahead, Corolla. Eat it. Because Camroid. Oh, what the hell is that? Mini pulling out. Ready? He rolled it. Did you? Yeah, in through the outdoor. Thank you. Turning your fucking headlights. Would you move it? I will be the flame. Could you move any fucking the fucking pace? This isn't, I'm letting people merge speed. This is, I drive like Jesus H. Christ. What the fuck, dude? Get off his ass. Don't make me have sympathy for a Corolla driver. Anyway, back to this idiot in the RAV4 who's driving like, you know, grandma. No, cement truck. You're not supposed to be in that lane. I guess I'm vlogging now? What? What an ass. I really wish that truck had a name on it that I could read, and I wish this fucking RAV4 would move its ass! Granite State Concrete, Westford, Mass. You're following way too close, dude. J.D. Gomez Trucking, Boston, Massachusetts. Nope. Hey, oh, hello. Jesus. Yep. Are you gonna move out of the way, dude? Why? Jesus H. Christ. Illegal U-turn. There we go. That's a Toyota swing. Swing it out to the right to go left. Unnecessarily. How to make you understand. Never gonna give you stop sign. Never gonna stop at stop signs anywhere. No. Fuck you. And now you're gonna drive too slow. Yes, you're a douchebag. $35 and a $50. Thank you. Red light runner. Ah, ran the red. Yeah, red arrow. I've done that. Let me guess. Oh yeah, there's a fleet of Amazon trucks in there. What a shock. Hello. The fucking scumbag. 6SH234. Go. What? Time for brakes, dude. Go. Would you go? Would you go? Would you go? Would you go left from the left turn lane?